Hey there, guys. Chet here. If you want to manage your email marketing, automations, and customer messages without switching between different apps, Brevo can help you do exactly that. In this video, I'll discuss what Brevo is, how it works, and why so many businesses rely on it. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link below. You will also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform, and we'll do it step by step. All right, let's get started. So, what exactly is Brevo? In the simplest words I can manage, Brevo is a marketing, automation, and customer communication platform that lets you manage all of your interactions with customers from one dashboard. With Brevo, you can send newsletters, promotional emails, SMS messages, and even WhatsApp broadcasts. You can chat directly with visitors who land on your website, build landing pages, and create automated workflows that send the right message but at the right time. One of the biggest things that makes Brevo stand out is its focus on simplicity and affordability. You can get access to the same types of tools that professional marketers use, but everything is designed in a beginner friendly way. You do not need any complicated technical skills. You don't have to deal with a confusing setup. Brevo uses drag and drop editors, clean menus, and pre designed templates to make your work easier. So, if you have ever felt overwhelmed by difficult marketing tools or expensive email software, Brevo aims to give you a much simpler and smoother experience. Let's talk about what Brevo is really used for. Brevo covers three big areas: communication, automation, and customer management. First, Brevo is used for email marketing. Many businesses rely on Brevo to create and send newsletters, product updates, promotions, and more. The email builder is very easy to use. You can choose a template, drag elements into place, and customize everything to match your brand. It also lets you send emails, A B test your subject lines, and track performance. Second, Brevo is widely used for automation. Automation means that you can set up sequences that run on their own. For example, when someone signs up through your website, Brevo can instantly send a welcome email. A few days later, it can send a helpful tip. A few days after that, it can send a discount. Everything works in the background once you set it up. Third, Brevo is used as a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It lets you store customer details, track interactions, assign notes, and manage deals. You can also organize your contacts, update information, and follow up easily. It helps you understand your audience and keep your marketing organized. On top of that, Brevo also offers SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, live chat for your website, and even chatbot tools. So, in short, Brevo is used for managing all of your customer communications from one platform. Now, let's break down Brevo's key features because this is where you really see what the platform is made of. The first core feature is email marketing. Brevo gives you a simple drag and drop editor to design your emails. You can customize layouts, add images, buttons, text, and product sections. One of the best parts is personalization. You can automatically include your subscriber's name, interest, or past actions to make the message feel more personal. Next, we have Brevo's built-in CRM. This tool helps you manage all of your contacts without needing a separate CRM system. You can update contact details, add notes, create segments, and manage your sales pipeline. Everything is in one place, so you don't need to keep switching between apps. Another powerful feature is marketing automation. With automation, you can create workflows that send emails at the right time. For example, you can set up welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, follow up emails, and re engagement campaigns. Brevo gives you a visual workflow builder so you can drag steps into place and customize each action. Brevo also includes transactional emails. These are important messages like order confirmations, password resets, or account notifications. The platform makes sure that these messages are delivered fast and reliably. Then we have landing pages and forms. You can build forms to collect leads and design landing pages for campaigns. Everything can be customized with easy tools, and the data goes straight into your Brevo account. Another great feature is live chat and chatbot. You can add a chat widget to your website so visitors can talk to you instantly. You can even automate common questions using the chatbot feature. And finally, Brevo offers SMS and WhatsApp marketing. These channels help you reach customers on their phones with time-sensitive offers or updates. It's a great way to stay connected beyond email. When you put all these features together, Brevo becomes a complete communication and marketing tool for beginners and professionals. Now, let's talk about integrations because these will help you connect Brevo with the rest of your tools. Brevo integrates with many popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, WordPress, and Wix, which makes it perfect for e-commerce stores. You can sync your products, orders, and customers automatically. You can also connect Brevo to Zapier, which opens the door to thousands of other apps such as Google Sheets, Slack, Trello, and more. This allows you to automate workflows across your entire business. If you use CRM tools like HubSpot or Salesforce, you can sync contact details between those tools and Brevo. For e-commerce users, integrations with Magneto, PrestaShop, and BigCommerce make it easy to send order updates and promotions automatically. Brevo also integrates with Facebook ads, which will help you retarget visitors and reach new audiences. And lastly, it works with Google Analytics so that you can track how your marketing campaigns are performing. These integrations make Brevo flexible so that you can use it with tools you already rely on. You do not have to change your entire workflow. Brevo simply connects with it. Now let's look at the pros and cons of using Brevo so that you can understand where it shines and where it may feel limited. Starting with the pros, Brevo is extremely easy to use. The dashboard is simple, clean, and perfect for beginners. You don't need any technical skills to get started. Another major advantage is that Brevo allows unlimited contacts even on its free plan. You only pay based on the number of emails that you send, not how many people you have on your list, which is very cost friendly. The platform is also very affordable compared to competitors. You get rather powerful tools like automation, CRM, SMS, WhatsApp, and detailed segmentation at a much lower price. Brevo is also known for excellent deliverability, which means your emails land in inboxes instead of spam folders. Now, on the downside, Brevo's CRM is good, but not as advanced as big enterprise tools. If you need deep sales forecasting or complex customization, you might find it limited. The reporting tools are helpful, but may not offer the detailed insights some advanced users want. Also, SMS campaigns can become expensive depending on your region because SMS pricing varies by country. Even with these limitations, Brevo's pros clearly outweigh the cons, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Now that you understand the features, let's take a look at pricing. Brevo has 4 plans. Starter plan starts at $8 each month, includes 5,000 emails with all the essentials. The standard plan starts at around $16 per month and adds tools like automation and advanced analytics. The professional plan starts at $4.49 each month and is designed for larger teams that need multiple users and AI tools. The enterprise plan includes custom pricing for big companies that send large email volumes. All plans let you add unlimited contacts and scale your email sending based on your needs. So you only pay for the number of emails you send each month. Before we wrap up, let's quickly look at some alternatives to Brevo. MailChimp is a well-known email marketing tool with great templates, but it can become expensive as your subscriber list grows. MailerLite is simple and affordable with clean designs, but it does not offer as many features as Brevo. HubSpot is an advanced CRM and marketing tool, but it is far more expensive and better suited for large organizations. ActiveCampaign has powerful automation tools, but it has a steeper learning curve. Overall, Brevo offers the best balance between price, features, and simplicity. All right, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now that you know what Brevo is, what it's used for, its features, integrations, pros and cons, pricing, and alternatives, if you want an affordable and beginner-friendly tool that lets you manage your email marketing, automations, and customer communication in one place, Brevo is definitely worth trying. And if you want to get started with Brevo, use the link in the description. Don't forget, it gives you 50% discount on your first few months, and it also includes access to a complete Brevo course that walks you through the platform step by step. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video if it helped out, and let me know in the comments which tool you want me to review next. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.